2020 Chevrolet Corvette Interior Review, what's different inside the C8? Beyond a small step. It's not by coincidence that Chevrolet revealed the mid-engine Corvette during the week that marked the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. The brand is commemorating that giant leap for mankind with what's perhaps the most anticipated reveal of the decade, the new 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8, the first production mid-engine Corvette in history. But besides its sharp exterior lines and strong styling, designers spent much time crafting the interior and making it different from what we've seen in the past. Here's a deep look at the new Vette's interior. Squared-off wheel. The steering wheel has been redesigned to be a two-spoke, squared-off wheel with a small diameter. You can choose between suede or leather, but either way, the wheel's design is sporty and has a premium feel. Best of all, the new Z button on the left side of the wheel activates Z mode, which allows the driver to adjust the car's behavior for more spirited driving. Luxury for everyone. The Corvette will come in 6 different interior themes: jet black, sky cool gray, adrenaline red, natural/natural dipped, two-tone blue, and morello red. Regardless of which interior you choose, all have an elegant and clean design, and it's without a doubt the most luxurious Corvette we've seen. How well the interior will wear over time is another question. We had mixed results with our long-term C7. From the strip of buttons for the HVAC controls to the electric shifter, the C8 Corvette feels more like a luxury sports car. The interior of loaded Corvettes is also covered in suede, from the headliner to the door panels, giving it a premium feel everywhere you touch. There are carbon fiber bits and aluminum trim in parts of the cabin, and because the air vents are very well integrated in the dash, the whole interior looks plush. Driver's car, driver's cockpit. Everything, from the infotainment screen to the strip of buttons for the HVAC controls, is oriented toward the driver. There are 2 cup holders in the center console, and the wireless charger is located between the 2 seat backs. There's enough space for tall folks. I'm 6 feet tall and had sufficient room, and once you're settled in, you'll notice how the sharp creases on the sides of the hood stand out. The cabin feels roomy in that there's enough space for 2, and even enough space to adjust your driving position. Technology. Right in front of the driver is a new 12.0-inch instrument cluster that changes color and graphics depending on the drive mode, weather, tour, sport, track, and the 2 new modes, My mode and Z mode. The screen looks rad, and there's a nice welcome profile graphic of the mid-engine Vette when you start the engine. The Corvette also comes with the latest generation of Chevrolet MyLink, making it very easy to control. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are compatible. Customize it your way. The interior can be customized, from the seat belts to the seats themselves. There are 3 seat options available: GT1, GT2, and Competition Sport. GT1 seats have a sporty style, but they are more comfort-oriented. GT2 seats are race-inspired and have been designed for long road trips, according to Chevy. Competition Sport seats are the sportiest of the 3, with additional bolstering on the sides and carbon fiber trim on the headrest. Need more customization than that? There are 6 color choices for the seat belts: black, blue, natural, torch red, yellow, and orange, and 2 stitch packages, yellow and red. The black interiors come with gray stitching as standard. Chevy is not limiting the combinations, so if you want the blue or orange seat belts with the adrenaline red interior, you can. 2 premium sound systems. Every C8 Corvette will be equipped with the standard 10-speaker Bose premium audio system, but if you think that's not enough, a 14-speaker Bose Performance Series system is available. Performance Data Recorder. Performance Data Recorder, a feature in the infotainment system that records the car's dynamic numbers, now records video with the front camera and in a high-resolution format. PDR can be turned on when driving on a track for dynamic driving or on the street for a dashcam-like experience. The feature can also be used with valet mode, so you can check if the valet drove your car aggressively before parking it. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Interior Review, what's different inside?